Hey guys, it's Renata and this is how to mince garlic. Here's what you'll need. First, your cutting board, then a sharp chef's knife, and lastly, garlic. First off, this is a garlic bulb. The bulb is made up of garlic cloves. So we're going to take one garlic clove, break it off the bulb, and just remove any of the excess skin that might be really easily coming off of that garlic clove. We don't need it. Now place the garlic clove on your cutting board and the flat side of your knife on top of it, and push down on the knife using your palms to carefully crush the garlic clove. You should be able to peel off the garlic skin really easily now because you've crushed the garlic clove. Now place the garlic clove on your cutting board, and in the hand that you won't be using the knife in, make sure you keep your fingers tucked in underneath your knuckles while you use the knife in the other hand to carefully slice the garlic. Now keep the tip of the knife on your cutting board, place your left hand or your non-dominant hand on top of the knife and carefully rock your knife back and forth, left to right, to mince your garlic. There you have it, perfectly minced garlic for any of your favorite recipes. For more healthy and delicious recipes, make sure you like, subscribe, and watch the next video.